Each year, up to 170 million containers deliver goods around the world. But 10% of those goods will be damaged beyond repair, causing huge losses in revenue, increased insurance premiums, and replacement and disposal costs. All of these losses are caused by a single factor: container rain. Over the course of a shipping journey, humidity and temperature fluctuations lead to container rain, and container rain leads to corrosion, peeling, mould, and deteriorated or destroying packaging. But there is a solution. BirchSorb is a powerful hyperdesiccant created specifically to control container rain, with a unique blend designed for powerful, long-lasting moisture control. Traditional moisture control products are only effective for short periods, leaving longer shipping routes vulnerable to container rain for most of the journey. In some cases, they can re-release the moisture back into the container when it gets hot. BirchSorb lasts for shipping routes of up to 12 weeks, protecting your goods for the entire journey. Protect your customers when you protect your containers. Don't let container rain spoil your journey. BirchSorb is available now with instant distribution worldwide via our global supplier network.